Welcome to IK Quiz. Only true animal experts will get this one right. In this video, we solve fun animal quizzes and discover amazing facts about them. There are 50 questions and only 5 seconds to guess. You watch my video but don't subscribe. Subscribe my channel, my butterfly gets sad. Let's go. Who runs faster? Cheetah. Cheetah is fastest land animal and run up to 100 kilometers per hour. Who is smarter? Elephant. Elephant has larger brain, complex emotions and memory. Who flies higher? Eagle. Eagle can soar above 10,000 feet. Who sees better at night? Owl. Owl has special eyes adapted for total darkness. Who lives longer? Tortoise. Some tortoise live over 150 years. Who is bigger? Whale. Mature blue whales can grow up to 100 feet, 30.5 meters long. Who swim faster? Dolphin. Dolphin has streamlined body, bursts up to 60 kilometers per hour. Who is stronger? Ant. Ant can lift 10 to 50 times its weight. Who is better at mimicry? Parrot. Parrot can mimic human speech and sounds. Who is more social? Wolf. Wolf lives and hunts in packs. Who is fluffier? Panda. Panda has thick fur for cold mountain climates. Who is louder? Howler monkey. Howler monkey calls can be heard up to 5 kilometers away. Who lays more eggs? Chicken. Some chicken lay nearly an egg a day. Who is better jumper? Kangaroo. Kangaroo can leap over 9 meters in one jump. Who has better camouflage? Octopus. Octopus changes color and texture instantly. Who bites harder? Crocodile. Crocodiles have strong and large jaw muscles filled with 60 hollow teeth. Who's better in cold? Penguin. Penguin has overlapping feathers, thick blubber, layer of fat under the skin, and huddle together for warmth. Who has sharper eyesight? Falcon. Can see prey from over a kilometer away. Who can fly farther? Albatross. Albatross stays airborne for thousands of miles. Who smells better? Bear. Bear best sense of smell in land animals. Who is more venomous? Cone snail. cone snails, venom can kill a human in minutes. Who has better memory? Elephant. Elephant recognizes water holes and faces for decades. Who walks funnier? Penguin. Penguins waddle when they walk on land because they have short legs and large feet. Who glides better? Flying fish. Flying fish glides up to 200 meters. Who is more aggressive? Goose. Goose are fiercely protective of their nests and young. Who's better climber? Monkey. Monkeys are agile, fast, and jump between trees. Who's more endangered? Rhinoceros. Some subspecies near extinction. Who sleeps more? Koala. Koala sleeps 18 to 22 hours a day. Who has more legs? Spider. Spiders have 8 legs and generally 8 eyes. Who makes better use of tools? Crow. Crow bends wires, drops nuts near traffic. Who is sneakier? Fox. Fox, known for stealth in wild hunting. Who's more patient? Crocodile. Crocodile can wait hours for prey motionless. Who lives deeper? Anglerfish. Anglerfish, found in deep-sea zones with no light. Who has better hearing? Bat. The bat's ear is extremely mobile and sensitive to sound. Who guards egg better? Seahorse Dad. Seahorse Dad carries babies inside his pouch. Who smells worse? Skunk. Skunk spray can be smelled from a mile away. Who builds better homes? Beaver. Beaver builds complex dams and lodges. Who's better flyer? Hummingbird. Hummingbird can hover, fly backward, and beat wings 80 times per second. Who's faster digger? Mole. Mole has special claws made for tunneling fast. Who has a stronger neck? Woodpecker. Absorbs 1,200 G-forces with each peck. Who is more helpful to human? Bee. Bee pollinates 80% of crops we eat. Who's cuter? It's totally your own choice. Red pandas are an endangered and an elusive mammal. Pandas have excellent camouflage for their habitat. Write your answer in comment box below. Who is better at digging traps? Antlion. Antlion makes deadly sand pits to catch ants. Who can change shape better? Octopus. Octopus can squeeze through coin-sized holes. Who walks better on two legs? Chicken. Evolutionary descendant with balance. Who's more feared in their habitat? Jaguar. Jaguar is apex predator with powerful skull bite. Who's harder to spot in snow? Arctic fox. Arctic fox are white, blends perfectly and completely. Camouflage. Who can regrow limbs? Starfish. Starfish can regrow entire arms or even whole bodies. Who has more teeth? Shark. Sharks can have over 3,000 teeth in rows, constantly replaced. Who is more loyal to a mate? Wolf. Wolves often form lifelong pairs and raise pups together. What is your favorite animal? Write in a comment box below.